Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video. First, I want to say thank you, TCL, for sending me over the TCL 20 SE to review. So let's get into the video. So on the back here, you can pause the video and read some of the specs. As you see, these are some of it. What it says on the side here. This is what it looks like on the front. On this side, you know, they say display greatness, which is true. Nothing on the bottom. We got the black, the nut black, newt black. So let's get into this device and see what we get in the box, because this is an unboxing. Okay, like so. First, you are greeted with the phone. It's packaged in a little baggie. Let me get that out real quick. This is the phone. I'm gonna put it aside. It has some weight to it. Then you get your SIMS tray slot tool. You gotta love it when they send you a case, even though it's a plastic case. It'll work until you can get something better. But I still like that because a lot of phone companies, the fancier phone companies, don't send you a case. You get your charging cables, but I'm not going to open these because I have a lot of these already. And I'm going to move this, put the case, put the top back on the box like so. Put that aside. Now, here's the device. Here's what we're waiting for. I like that back. I like how that looks in the back. You know what? I'm going to get that sticker off later, but this is my phone information. You get the 4 camera setup, your fingerprint sensor, and I'm glad that it's on the back. You get your power button, your volume up and down button. This is a button for Google Assistant. And here's something here. Let me see what that is. Oh, yeah, that is where you put your SD card in your SIMS tray. No, there's a headphone jack, which is good. I believe that's an IR blaster, but I'm not sure. On the bottom here, you get your dual speakers and your USB Type-C for charging. So let's pull the sticker off. And let's get the first initial turn on the device. It feels nice in the hand, but as you can see, it would have been a budget device. You see that ugly little notch there, but hey, get what you get. But I'm really liking how it feels. It feels like glass, but I'm not quite sure what that is yet. Here's the clear case. This is what the clear case would look like on the device. Has a nice little heft to it. I'm going to try to set this up and have more videos ready for you guys. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.